When logging in to your student account on the iOS or Android app, you'll see your name at the top, followed by your avatar. Tapping on your avatar will allow you to customize your avatar's color and features. As you scroll down, you'll see the list of classes that you've been added to, and your home report, which includes points that have been given to you by your parent if they are using Beyond School at home. Below that, you'll see all of the class story posts for all the classes that you are in. You can like a post, or you can click on the comment button if your teacher has enabled commenting. When you comment on a portfolio post of yours, only your parent and teacher sees your comment. But if you comment on a class story post, your parent, the teacher, and your classmates will see your comment. Coming back up to the top of your account, you can tap on a class name to view your points and posts and activities for that class. Tapping on your points at the top, you'll be able to see your point report for the current week. Tapping on the X in the top left-hand corner will take you back to your class. This is where you can see the list of activities you have to do, and below that, a list of your portfolio posts that you have submitted and are waiting for your teacher to approve, and your approved posts. To create a new portfolio post, tap Create New, and then select which type of post you would like to create. Let's create a journal entry. Here you can type out your thoughts, an explanation, or an answer to a question that your teacher had posted. When you're done typing, you have the option to attach a recording of your voice up to 8 minutes long, or a photo from your photo gallery on your device, or to draw a custom drawing. When you're finished, tap Done, and you'll have the option to save your work or to hand it in. You'll come back to your main screen where you can see your worksheets or activities that you have to complete. Tapping on the activity will open up the worksheet. To zoom in or out on the worksheet, use your thumb and pointer finger, dragging them closer together or farther apart on the screen. Tapping on the tool on the left that says ABC, you can add text on top of the worksheet. If you need to move the word around, you can tap on the word and drag it to another location on the worksheet with your finger. When you have completed filling it out, tap on the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner and then tap Done. Then you can tap on the paper plane in the upper right-hand corner to hand in your work. Once it's been approved by your teacher, your parent will be able to see your new work in their account. Great job! Now you're ready to use your ClassDojo student account on the app.